cross training in the kitchen. I'm doing already real curry and the curry. Now I'm doing with the aioli sauce. This mayonnaise is hard to open. This one is I put already 750 of sour cream. I cannot open this one. I need help. Just one. I need lemon. So lemon sauce this one. I don't know.
Okay, I will show you up there.
Chef, is this lemon sauce? I'll just put lemon. It's hard to open. Just 1 minute. I need this spatula. Go down. Hard. Can I use this spatula? I need what is it?
Someone is teaching you. Introducing you.
Ano ba to? Hi, Kuya. Teach me what is this. Teach me how to do. That's enough for this one. Now I'm putting mayonnaise because it's hard to put one time. I need to use spatula.
You like us?
Yeah?
You like run here even one day?
I'm just here for 1 day. Tomorrow I will go back to front of the house.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy to.
So
Not yet.
you have new experience.
Yeah. First time.
What did you do?
I did a lot of things like garlic. The best one. Mastering garlic. I did one. Try to remove. This mayonnaise. We are using garlic mayonnaise like you are using in what is this? You buy in the roasted. But we're not in roasted, huh? We're in totally fish.
You know?
Kidya is very Kidya.
I'm the one shooting you.
When is break?
Okay, just say goodbye.
Chef,
Okay, see
what
you.
are you doing now? Huh? Pigeon mayo.
Pigeon mayo. What taste here?
Start to remove this one from top.
Okay, just say bye-bye. See you.
Bye. See you next time.